Hi everyone, welcome to the Best of XAT series from IMS. Let's have a look at one more question from XAT 2021, and this one is a question on geometry. Again, framed slightly differently, makes it look very difficult, but it was not very difficult according to me.
If you are going to take the XAT and are wondering what exactly to do over the next few days, we have a very special video for you in which we have discussed the pattern of the test, the sectional cutoffs, the preparation strategy and the attempt strategy. You can visit the video by clicking on the I button above or from the link in the description box below. Happy learning.
Rajesh, a courier delivery agent, starts at point A and makes a delivery at point B, C, D. So when if you read this much and you start drawing the diagram, you are most probably going to go wrong. He travels in a straight line between any two consecutive points. The following things are known. A, B and C, D intersect at right angles at E. Now that was very important. A, B and C, D intersect at right angles at E. Okay, so I don't know how they intersect, how much is the distance. So I'm just going to keep the options open of one length being longer and the other length being shorter or something like that. So I'm just going to keep those options open. They have told us what? So this point is E. Okay, I don't know. Can put A, B depending on where I want to put it. So they have told us BC is 1.3, CE and ED are 0.5 and 2.5. So CE is a small part which is 0.5 and DE is the longer part which is 2.5. Now again, what have they told us? Let's read carefully. They have told us one more thing, that AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So I could use it wherever I want. If I take this as A, this is AD parallel to BC. This line is parallel to this line. So the other line, I assume they haven't said anything, so I'm not going to take their parallel. Obviously, I'm just going to leave it as it is. So I've just put that as dotted line. Read the question very carefully to what they've asked. They've asked is what is the total distance travelled by Rajesh in travelling from A to D. So he first went A to B, so that is distance AB. Then he went to C, that is BC, and then CD. Now if you notice, out of this CD we already know is 3. 2.5 plus 0.5, so we already know that is 3, right? What else do we know? We know something 1.3, BC is 1.3, so I also know already BC 1.3, so that was also very straightforward. Now I need to find only AB. Now AB is AE plus EB, which means I need to find AE and I need to find BE. These are the two things I want to find. Now out of this, BE is very straightforward, simple Pythagoras theorem. Right, so what will I get? BE square will be 1.3 square minus 0.5 square. If you've reached to the level of XAT, which means you've gone through all your exams ka grind, you should be very comfortable with Pythagoras triplets. 13 square minus 5 square we should know is 12 square, which means BE will be 1.2. That should be very straightforward. So I got BE as 1.2. Now let's use the part about the parallel part, where they said the lines were parallel. This angle will be congruent to this angle because AD is parallel to BC, and this angle will be congruent to this angle because the same thing, alternate angles. So if the lines are parallel, I will get that triangle AED will be similar to triangle BEC. Triangle AED is similar to triangle BEC. So what have I got now? If the triangles are similar, we know the sides ka ratio is similar. What is the ratio of the sides CE to DE? Is 1:5. So this is the smaller triangle. So the sides over here, if they are 1, the larger triangle will have sides 5 times. So if this is 1.2, this will have to be 5 times of that. I know my diagram does not represent that, but AE will be 5 times of BE because of similarity. We got similarity by AA test or AAA test, and if this is 1.2, this will have to be 5 times of it, that is 6. So AE became 6, simple using ratios. So what is my value of AB? It will be 6 plus 1.2, that is 7.2. We got what we wanted. 7.2 plus 3 is 10.2. 10.2 plus 1.3 is 11.5, which is the third option. So pretty straightforward question on geometry, very doable, simple rules of Pythagoras and similarity required.